Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Heikin Ashi candle to your charts on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the candle option in between the duration and the indicators on in the screen. So once you click over there, you can the Heikin Ashi option just down below of this section. So you simply need to click on that option and you'll be able to add the Heikin Ashi candle successfully. So basically this is how you can add the Heikin Ashi candle to your charts on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.